How to fix Add to Cart button not showing up in Shopify Dawn theme. Opening your live product page only to discover that your Add to Cart button has completely vanished is a massive emergency that instantly freezes your traffic and kills your sales. If you are running Shopify's flagship Dawn theme, this disappearing act isn't a system glitch. It's usually caused by hidden template blocks or unaligned inventory settings. Today we are opening your theme editor and catalog backend to bring your buy buttons back online. Okay, so let's firstly check the layout hierarchy. In your online store themes like Dawn, every single element on the products page is a modular block that can be accidentally hidden or deleted. So from our admin page, go to online store, and then hit the customize button next to your Dawn theme. Okay, so let me just publish Dawn as my main theme, and then I will go ahead and edit it. There you go. Okay, so you can use the top template drop-down menu to switch over to products, and then default product right over here. And then guys, look closely at the left-hand sidebar under the product information core selection, and then locate the buy buttons block item. So in my case, it's going to be right here, as you can see, buy buttons. So if you see a small eye icon with a line through it, the block is hidden. So as you can see in my case, I have product information, and then we have these buy buttons. If I press on this, as you can see, they vanish, they disappear. So if you have this eye crossed off, make sure to click so that they appear. And also if the block is missing entirely, you can just click add block and then select buy buttons, drag it below the variant picker and hit save. Then if the theme blocks are configured perfectly, but the button is still missing, the issue probably lies in your database parameters. So exit the customizer, navigate to products, and then click into the problematic product file. And guys, just go into your product. So as you can see, I have book. So it shows up because my book product is actually active, as you can see, outlined in green. So go to status, and from draft one listed, set it to active. Then go back, reload the page, and it now should appear in your store. So systematically auditing your Dawn template block visibility and aligning your product inventory states ensures your purchasing funnel remains wide open to buyers around the clock. That is it for this one. Simply done, as you can see. Enjoy as always, and thank you for watching.